Good morning, class. All right, let's get right into our morning calendar time. Are you guys excited? It's the last day of the school week. All right, so we are at the weekend. Let's start off with our month. It is April. We know that already. We can spell it April. And let's check out today's date. So you guys go ahead and watch your months of the year and your April song. Next week will be the last time we sing our April song because we will be in a new month after next week. We got a lot of numbers to count, guys, today, a lot. So let's get to it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and what comes next? 24 or 25? 23, 24, right, 24 comes next. The date is April 24th. All right, let's go ahead and do our days of the week. Like I said, it's the last day, and let me move the camera so y'all can still see me a little bit here. All right, there we go. Okay, so we look at our days of the week. I said it was the last day of the school week. The weekend is here, so it is what day? Is it Friday or Saturday? Let me see if I can turn that around. There we go. Saturday or Friday? It is Friday. Yay for Friday. So if today is Friday, will tomorrow be Sunday or Saturday? Friday, then Saturday. Right. Good job. All right. And if today is Friday, then that also means that yesterday was Wednesday or Thursday. Wednesday or Thursday. It means yesterday was Wednesday. Great job. All right, we are still in the season of spring. So let's do a quick review of today's date. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. And Miss Peffer looked up the weather. And it's not going to rain today, so that's some good news. It's going to be partly cloudy and 80 degrees. And tomorrow it's going to be partly cloudy and 84 degrees. So let's look at where 80 and 84 are on our thermometer. Here's 80. 84 would be somewhere in the middle here between the 80 and 90. Both of those temperatures, are they in the yellow warm or are they in the red hot? They are in the red hot, so we are going to put them up there. It's going to be really warm. Actually, it's going to be hot the next 2 days. So, here are our picture cards for today for the weather. Partly cloudy and hot. And those are going to go for today and tomorrow. Partly cloudy and hot both days. All right, looks like our Brad the weather guy needs a little bit of changing. Let's take off his sweatshirt and his umbrella and his pants because guess what? We don't need all that stuff today. It was only 68 degrees yesterday, but today it jumps up the whole way to 80. So how about, do you think a t-shirt and shorts will be good for our Brad the weather guy today? I think so. I think that'll make him a little more comfortable than a sweatshirt and pants. And he doesn't even need the umbrella. All right, guys, you did a great job this morning. Let's review everything one more time, and then we are done. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. We are in the season of spring. Yesterday was Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. The temperature today is 80 degrees and partly cloudy, which means it is Hot, right. So, and tomorrow is 84 and partly cloudy, which is also hot. Good. And so our Brad the weather guy is dressed appropriately. And you guys, that's all we have for today. And that's all we have for this week. So you guys have a great weekend. And I'll see you back here Monday. Bye.